Hello students, today in this session I am going to start quadratic equations, that is chapter 4 from class 10 maths textbook. In chapter 2 you have done polynomials, and in polynomials we have done quadratic polynomials. We know any polynomial whose degree is 2, that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Say for instance ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial. We can name this one as suppose px. So px is a polynomial which is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers. Say for instance we can consider, for example, px equals to 3x square plus 5x minus 7. This is a quadratic polynomial because the degree of this polynomial is 2. Now suppose we consider this polynomial is equals to 0. If px is 0, then it will be 3x square plus 5x minus 7 equals to 0. Then this type of equation is called quadratic equation. In general, we can say an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, and a not equals to 0, then these equations are called quadratic equation. Say fx is a polynomial which is ax square plus bx plus c, and suppose alpha and beta b is zeros. These are zeros of this polynomial. We can write zeros of fx. Now if we write fx equals to 0, fx here is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then this alpha beta will be termed as roots of the equation. In that case, if this is quadratic equation, then alpha beta will be termed as roots of the equation. Let me start 4a now. In exercise 4a, first question is check whether the following are quadratic equations. Here first part is x square plus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. And we have to check whether this is quadratic equation or not. Here x square plus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation because it is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is 1, b is 5 and c is minus 3. So we can write here yes, it is a quadratic equation because it is of the format of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not 0. Now in the second part of question number 1, it is given root 3x square minus 5x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. This is also a quadratic equation because it is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here you can see that a is root over 3, b is minus 5 and c is 1 by 3. And since a is not 0, so it's a quadratic equation. I think third and fourth part of question number 1 you can do it yourself. Let me show fifth part from question number 1. In fifth part of question number 1, it is given 3x square minus 5x plus 7 equals to x square minus 5x plus 1, and we have to check whether it is quadratic or not. Now if I transfer these three terms in the other side, it will be 3x square minus x square minus 5x plus 7 minus 1 equals to 0. This plus 5x and minus 5x can be cancelled. So we got 3x square minus x square, which will be 2x square plus 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we can write this one as 2x square plus 0x plus 6 equals to 0. Since x term is missing, we can write it like this. Now it is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a is not 0. Since it is of this format, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Sixth part of question number 1. Question is x square minus 4x equals to x square minus twice x. If I transfer this to the other side, it will be x square minus x square minus 4x plus 2x. This minus twice x, if I transfer, it will become plus twice x equals to 0. This plus x square and minus x square can be cancelled. So we are left with minus twice x equals to 0. If I transfer this minus 2 in the other side, we are going to get x equals to 0. Now it is not of the format of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 because here x square term is missing. So it is not a quadratic equation. In question number 2, first part, question is x minus 1 by x equal to x square, and we have to check whether it is quadratic equation or not. Here it is x by 1. If you take the LCM of 1 and x, it will be x. X divided by 1, it will be x. X into x, x square, minus x divided by x is 1. 1 1 ja 1 equal to x square. So it will be x square minus 1. This x and x square, if I multiply, it will become x cube. So it will be x square minus 1 equals to x cube. This x cube, if I transfer, it will be minus x cube plus x square minus 1 equals to 0. Now here degree is not 2, it is 3. Since it is not of the format of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, because here maximum power is 3, but in case of quadratic equation it should be 2. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation. In second part of question number 2, question is x square minus 1 by x square equals to 3, and we have to check whether it is quadratic or not. Here also we can write x square by 1 minus 1 by x square. 1 and x square, LCM will be x square. X square divided by 1 is x square. X square into x square, x to the power 4, minus x square divided by x square is 1. 1 1 ja 1 equals to 3. So it will be x to the power 4 minus 1 equals to 3x square. So it will be x to the power 4 minus 3x square minus 1 equals to 0. Now here also maximum power is 4, but in case of quadratic equation it should be 2. Since it is not of the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not 0, so this is not a quadratic equation. In question number 3, first part, question is x plus 2 whole cube equal to x cube minus 6. Here it is a plus b whole cube. We know the formula. It is a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube equals to x cube minus 6. So here you have to apply a plus b whole cube formula. So it will be x cube plus 3 2 ja 6x square plus 2 2 ja 4, 3 4 ja 12x plus 2 cube, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. This x cube minus 6, if I transfer, it will be minus x cube plus 6 equals to 0. Plus x cube and minus x cube can be cancelled. So we are left with 6x square plus 12x plus 8 plus 6, it will be 14 equals to 0. So if I take 2 common, so we are left with 3x square plus 6x plus 7 equals to 0. 3x square plus 6x plus 7 equals to 0 divided by 2, it will be 0. Now this part is of the format of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. In second part of question number 3, it is given 16x square minus 5 equals to 3x plus 5 into 5x minus 3. And you have to check whether it is quadratic or not. Here we can write 16x square minus 5 equals to 3x into 5x minus 3 plus 5 into 5x minus 3. 16x square minus 5 equals to 3 5 ja 15x square plus minus minus 3 3 ja 9x plus 5 5 ja 25x plus minus minus 3 5 ja 15. So it will be 16x square minus 15x square. This minus 9x, it will become plus 9x. This plus 25x, it will become minus 25x. Minus 15 becomes plus 15. Minus 5 equals to 0. So we are left with 16x square minus 15x square, which will be x square, plus 9x minus 25x. If I subtract, it will be minus 16x plus 15 minus 5, it will be plus 10 equals to 0. Now this part, it is of the format of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a will be 1, b will be minus 16 and c will be 10. So it is a quadratic equation. In fourth part of question number 3, it is given 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 2 equal to thrice x minus 1 into x plus 2. Here we can multiply twice x into 3x plus 2 plus 1 into 3x plus 2 equals to 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 1 minus 3. Here it is x plus 2. So we are multiplying 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1, it will be minus 3 into x plus 2. So it will be 3 to ja 6x square, 2 to ja 4x, plus 3x into 1, 3x, plus 2 1 ja 2 equals to 3x into x plus 2 minus 3 into x plus 2. So it will be 6x square, 4 plus 3 will be 7x. So 6x square plus 7x plus 2 equals to 3x into x, 3x square, plus 3x into 2, 6x, minus 3 into x, 3x, plus minus 3 to the 6. So it will be 6x square plus 7x plus 2 will be 3x square. 6x minus 3x will be 3x minus 6. Now if I transfer this 3 in the other side, it will be 6x square minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3x plus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. If I subtract, it will be 3x square. 7x minus 3x will be 4x plus 8 equals to 0. Now this is of the format of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. So here one quadratic equation is given, x square plus x plus 2 equal to 0, and here it is given x equal to 0 and 1. We have to check whether 0 and 1 are solutions of this equation or not. Since we have to check whether 0 and 1 are solutions of this equation or not, so in the first case we are going to replace x by 0 and we will check whether we are getting right hand side or not. So we can write like this on putting x equal to 0 in left hand side. So in the left hand side we are replacing x by 0, then we will get 0 square plus 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 0 plus 2, it will become 2, but in the right hand side it is 0. So this is not equal to right hand side. Therefore x equal to 0 is not a solution. Now we have to check whether 1 is a solution or not. Just like this, we have to replace x by 1. So here we'll write on putting x equal to 1 in the left hand side. So instead of x, we are replacing now by 1. It will be 1 square plus 1 plus 2. 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. But in the right hand side, in the question it is given 0. So here it is not equal to right hand side. Therefore x equal to 1 is also not a solution of the given equation. In third part of question number 4, question is 3x square plus 10 equal to 11x, and we have to check whether x equal to 5 by 3 and 2 are solutions of this quadratic equation. So we will get 3x square minus 11x plus 10 equals to 0. Now we are going to replace x by 5 by 3 in the left hand side and we will check whether we get 0 or not. So on putting x equal to 5 by 3 in the left hand side, it will be 3. Instead of x, it will be 5 by 3 whole square minus 11x. Instead of x, we are writing 5 by 3 plus 10. So it will be 3. 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9 minus 5, 11 is 55 by 3 plus 10. Now this 3 and 9 can be cancelled. 3, 3 is 9. It will be 25 by 3 minus 55 by 3 plus 10 by 1. Now LCM of 3, 3 and 1. It will be 3. So 3 divided by 3 it will be 1. 1 into 25, 25 minus 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 into 55 it will be 55 plus 3 divided by 1, 3. 3 into 10, 30. Now these two are positive, this one negative. So these two will be added. So 30 plus 25 it will be 55 minus 55 by 3. 55 minus 55 is 0. 0 by 3 is 0. So we got right hand side. Since by replacing x equal to 5 by 3 we got right hand side, therefore x equal to 5 by 3 is a solution. Again it is given whether 2 is a solution or not. Now we are going to replace this x by 2. Now on putting x equal to 2 in the left hand side, it will be 3 into 2 square minus 11 into 2 plus 10. Now 3 into 2, 2 is 4. 4 3 is 12 minus 2 into 11, 22 plus 10. Now 12 plus 10, it will be 22 minus 22. So it will be 0. So we got right hand side. Therefore x equal to 2 is also a solution of the given equation. In question number 5, first part, it is given x square minus 3 root 3x plus 6 equal to 0, and we have to check whether x equals to minus 2 root 3 and root 3, whether these are solutions of this equation or not. So first we are going to replace x by minus 2 root 3 in the left hand side. So we can write like this on putting x equals to minus 2 root 3 in left hand side. So it will be, instead of x square, it will be minus 2 root 3 whole square minus 3 root 3. Instead of x, we are writing minus 2 root 3 plus 6. So in the left hand side, instead of x, we have written minus 2 root 3. So minus minus plus, 2 square will be 4. Root 3 square is 3. Minus minus plus, 3 2 is 6. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3 plus 6. 3 4 is 12 plus 3 6 is 18 plus 8. Now all are positive, so if we add, we are going to get 36. But in the right hand side it is 0 and we got 36, which is not equal to right hand side. Therefore x equals to minus 2 root 3 is not a solution. Now again we have to check by replacing x by root 3. If we put x equal to root 3 in the left hand side, it will be root 3 square minus 3 root 3 into root 3, because instead of x we are writing root 3 plus 6. Root 3 square will be 3 minus 3, root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus 6, 3 minus 3 3 is 9 plus 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 minus 9 it will be 0. Since we got right hand side, therefore x equal to root 3 is a solution. In the fourth part of question number 5, it is given abx square plus b square minus acx minus bc equal to 0, and we have to check whether minus b by a and c by b are solutions of this equation or not. So in the first case we are going to replace x by minus b by a and we'll check whether we get 0 or not, and in the second step we have to replace x by c by b. In the first case we are replacing x by minus b by a. So in the left hand side it will be ab, instead of x square it will be minus b by a whole square plus b square minus ac. Instead of x we are writing minus b by a minus bc. Here ab minus minus plus b square by a square plus minus minus b square into ba, it will be b cube by a, then minus minus plus ac into b by a, it will be ac b by a minus bc. This a and a square, one a can be cancelled, this a and this a also can be cancelled. So we are left with b cube by a minus b cube by a plus bc, because this a and a we have cancelled, minus bc. These two terms can be cancelled, these two terms also can be cancelled, so we are left with 0, which is the right hand side. Since on replacing x equal to minus b by a, we got right hand side, therefore x equal to minus b by a is a solution. In the second part, it is given x equal to c by b. So if we replace x by c by b, it will be ab c by b whole square plus b square minus ac. Instead of x, we are writing c by b minus bc. So ab, it will be c square minus b square plus, so if I multiply b square by c by b, it will be b square c by b plus minus minus ac into c, ac square by b minus bc. So these b and b square, 1b can be cancelled. These b and b square, 1b can be cancelled. So we are left with ac square by b plus bc minus ac square by b minus bc. Plus bc minus bc can be cancelled. Plus ac square by b minus ac square b can be cancelled. So we are left with 0, which is the right hand side. Therefore x equal to c by b is also a solution. In question number 6, it is given, in each of the following, determine the value of k for which the given value is the solution of the equation kx square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, and x equal to 2 is a solution of the given equation, and we are to find the value of k. Here equation is kx square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, and it is given x equal to 2 is a solution. Suppose this equation is 1, and in the question it is given x equal to 2 is a solution. So we can write, since x equal to 2 is a solution of equation number 1, therefore x equal to 2 satisfies equation 1. So now we are going to replace this x by 2. So it will be k, instead of x square we are writing 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2 equals to 0. Since 2 is a solution of this equation, so it must satisfy this equation. So we are replacing x by 2. So it will be 2 to the 4k minus 3 to the 6 plus 2 equals to 0. So it will be 4k minus 6 plus 2, it will be minus 4 equals to 0. So 4k equals to 4. K will be 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Therefore required value of k is 1. In third part of question number 6, it is given 5x square plus k equal to 0 and x equal to minus root 6 is a solution. Since this is a solution of this equation, so x equal to minus root 6 will satisfy this equation. So it will be 5. Instead of x square, we can write minus root 6 whole square plus k equals to 0. 5 minus minus plus root 6 square will be 6 plus k equals to 0. 5 6 the 30 plus k equals to 0. Therefore k equals to minus 30. Therefore minus 30 is the required value of k. Let me show sixth part from question number 6. Here question is x square minus a plus b into x plus k equal to 0, and here x equal to a is a solution of this given equation, and we have to find the value of k. Instead of x, if we write a, then it will be a square minus within bracket a plus b into a plus k equals to 0. It will be a square minus a into a square plus minus minus ab plus k equals to 0. Plus a square and minus a square can be cancelled. If we transfer this minus ab in the other side, it will become ab. So required value of k is ab. Question number 7. Find the values of a and b for which x equals to 3 by 4 and x equal to minus 2 are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx minus c equal to 0. In this case, we have to find the value of a and b, where x equal to 3 by 4 and x equal to minus 2 are the roots of this given equation. Here equation is ax square plus bx minus c equal to 0, and as given in the question, x equal to 3 by 4 is a root of equation number 1. So we can replace this x by 3 by 4. It will be a 3 by 4 whole square plus b 3 by 4 minus 6 equals to 0. We have just replaced x by 3 by 4. So it will be a 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 plus b 3 by 4 minus 6, which can be written as 6 by 1 equals to 0. Now here it is 16, 4 and 1. LCM of 16, 4 and 1 will be 16. 16 by 16, 1. It will be 9a plus 16 divided by 4 is 4. 3 4 is 12b minus 16 by 1 is 16. 16 into 6, 96 equals to 0. So it will be 9a plus 12b minus 96 equals to 16 into 0. If I cross multiply, it will become 0. From these 3, I can take 3 common. So it will be 3a plus 4b minus 32 equals to 0. Just check. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 3 into 32, it will be 96. Now, these 3 I can transfer in the other side. So we are left with 3a plus 4b minus 32 equals to 0. Let it be equation number 2. Again, it is given that x equal to minus 2 is also a root. Since x equal to minus 2 is also a root, we can replace x by minus 2. Then it will be a minus 2 square plus b into minus 2 minus 6 equals to 0. 2 2 is 4. So it will be 4a, and here it is minus square, so it will become plus. Plus minus minus twice b minus 6 equals to 0. So this is equation number 3. So we got these two equations, and from these two equations we have to find a and b. Now from the second equation we got thrice a plus 4b minus 32 equals to 0. And from the third equation we got 4a minus twice b minus 6 equal to 0. Here it is 4b, here it is twice b. So if I multiply this equation by 2, then this will become 4b. So we are multiplying equation number 2 by 1. We got 3a plus 4b minus 32 equals to 0. And we are multiplying equation number 3 by 2. It will become 8a minus 4b minus 12 equals to 0. Now, this plus 4b and minus 4b can be cancelled. So if we add these two equations, we are going to get 8 plus 3, 11a. These two will be cancelled. And here minus 32 minus 12, it will be minus 44 equals to 0. So 11a equals to 44. So a will be 44 by 11, which will give 4. Now if I replace a equal to 4 in equation number 3, we got 4a minus twice b minus 6 equal to 0. We got a equal to 4. So we are going to replace a by 4. So we are going to get 4 into 4 minus twice b minus 6 equal to 0. We have just replaced a by 4. So 4 4 just 16 minus twice b minus 6 equals to 0. Minus twice b, 16 minus 6, it will be plus 10 equals to 0. Minus twice b equal to minus 10. Twice b equal to 10. If I multiply both sides by minus, it will become twice b equals to 10. So b equal to 10 by 2, which will be 5. Therefore, required value of a is 4 and b is 5, which is the required answer. I think question number 8 you can do it yourself because this is same as number 7. In the next video I am going to start 4b. Till then, bye bye, take care and wait for the next part.